In primetime news this evening, resign. St. Anne councillors call for chairman to step down amid mounting controversy. Not yet. Prime Minister dispels suggestion of imminent election. And how come JPS facing the wrath of customers over high electricity bills? Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to the revelation that the cost of electricity theft is shared by the JPS and its customers?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.